Looking out across the tropics, two areas we're watching for potential development here this morning. The first, a little disturbance in the central Atlantic. This is the same storm we've been watching over the last week or so. Remains disorganized. Development chances continue to come down with that one. Meanwhile, this is likely to become the next named storm of 2025. An area of low pressure by the Cabo Verde Islands that will work westward. A 90% development chance with this one. Let's begin with disturbance number one. And here in the central Atlantic, tracking further to the north and east. Yeah, there's still a chance some gradual development could occur over the next couple of days as it does lift northward in the central Atlantic, but that's the key. It's moving north, even north-northeast, so this will not impact any land areas whatsoever, even if it is able to come together. And then right here is the next storm system we'll be watching, really the storm we'll be watching most closely this week. It does look to be on the verge of becoming a tropical depression. You see in the cloud pattern, your concentric circle, I think there's a good chance this is already a well-defined little surface circulation with this. This could be already a tropical depression as it's moving westward here. If it's not already, it will be soon. 90% development chance with this, 70% in the next 2 days as this heads generally westward across the eastern tropical Atlantic. And then you see the sort of path the Hurricane Center expects this to take, more of a northerly turn in the tail end of the forecast, which would hopefully mean this stays north of the Caribbean. And there's strong model agreement with this. These model plots, remember, each line is a different tropical model forecast. For this far out in the game, there is good agreement that this stays on a west-northwesterly track. And then you see just about every model does turn north, fairly far to the north, prior to this reaching the Bahamas, prior to this reaching the United States. The reason why? The orientation of the area of high pressure that prowls the central northern Atlantic this time of year. We call it the Bermuda-Azores High or the Atlantic Ridge. Now, sometimes a little stronger, closer to Bermuda, sometimes a little weaker, closer to the Azores. That's what we root for when we watch these waves come off of Africa, because the weaker and more easterly positioning to the high allows that turn to the north, allows that recurve out into the central Atlantic. This is by the time we get to Sunday, so about a week out from now. There's your developing storm system. This model, the GFS, has a strong tropical storm, potentially a hurricane at this point in time. This is going to ride the fringes of that high as it's far to the east. That should allow this, yes, to turn to the north prior to reaching the Bahamas or the east coast of the U.S. Far from set in stone, though, so we'll be watching this one closely. And as we head into the peak of hurricane season, it's important now that you're checking back with us. You're keeping one eye on the forecast as we keep you ahead of anything going on out there in the tropics. If and when that storm takes a name, the next name on the list would be Erin.